Alright, for part two, we're just going to look more in depth at understanding the differences on a number line. So remember that difference and distance are same, so this means that we're going to subtract. So they give you a number line in part A, and it says find the distance. So you can subtract them, so you can do -1, -1 minus 7. We're going to do the absolute value like we practiced above. And that's going to give me the absolute value of -8, which is actually 8. So it's 8 spaces away. Or you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For part B, it says find the differences involving 7 and -1 below. So here we look at the different ways we could write 7 minus -1 and -1 minus 7. So we're going to look at applying our integer sign rule. So I'm going to change my subtraction here, 7 minus -1, to addition of the opposite and get 8. I'm going to perform my subtraction here. -1 minus 7, make it add the opposite. So I'm going to add -7, add them together, and I'm going to get -8. Remember, the absolute value can have two numbers, so what two numbers are this far from each other? And then for part C, it says find the absolute value of each difference. So I'll have 7 minus -1. So the absolute value of 8, which is 8. And then I'll have -7 plus -1. So I want the absolute value of -8, which is also 8. So remember that distance is the absolute value of subtractions from the points. Okay. Go ahead and try letter B, example 2 on your own, and we'll talk about these tomorrow in class. Good luck.